Ever wondered how to dodge that pesky Geico deductible and keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket? Let's be honest, nobody likes paying a deductible. It's that upfront cost you have to cover before Geico steps in to help with repairs after an accident. So, how do you potentially avoid it? Here's the lowdown. First and foremost, the best way is to prevent accidents in the first place. This means being a defensive driver, focusing on the road, keeping a safe distance, and being aware of your surroundings. Regular vehicle maintenance is crucial. Ensure your tires, brakes, and lights are in good working order. Preventative car care directly impacts road safety. Next, consider your policy. When you initially set up your Geico policy, you chose a deductible amount. While a lower deductible means less you pay out of pocket for minor damage, its premiums are often higher. If you find premiums too costly, try a higher deductible with lower monthly payments. This may work, but remember that you must set aside money in case you need to use the deductible. Another point to remember is that paying the deductible is a way of showing Geico you are taking on some of the risk. Geico usually wants customers to follow the rule by avoiding any actions that may cause damage to their vehicle. This is done to avoid paying the deductible. Finally, avoiding claims is a key strategy. If damage is minimal and repair costs are lower than your deductible, you might want to pay out of pocket. This keeps your claims history clean, potentially helping you avoid rate increases. Keep in mind that your policy is what determines the deductible. Always read your policy and understand what is covered. By focusing on accident prevention, understanding your policy, and managing your claims, you can significantly increase your chances of avoiding the Geico deductible.